Hello, Paul here from EMD Automotive Carrying Bar. Just want to show what we've done on this Toyota four-wheel drive. We removed the intake manifold here, which is that big part there. And to do that job, the spark plugs is way behind, right at the back there. So it's really hard to get to, so you got to remove a lot of stuff from the engine bay. Hoses, wiring harness, you name it, all it's got to come off, body body's got to come off. And all these parts got to be removed, so we can do this, remove the coils out and replace the spark plugs. That's the only way. This was a major service plus spark plugs and all that. Front diff, transfer case, rear diff as well, and brake fluid flush, air filter, pollen filters. We're doing the actual fuel pump as well. Sorry, not the fuel pump, the fuel filter. So the fuel filter is here, so we're going to remove the top part of the fuel tank on top later and fit the new fuel filter to the car. And then once we finish all this, start the car up and recheck everything using the computer to make sure everything's working fine, scan tool, and then we'll go to the actual fuel filter replacement. Alright, thanks for watching and please subscribe.